So today, what we're going to talk about is some practical ideas as to what we can do to improve our bedroom space. Because let's face it, Anita, you can only watch Netflix movies so many times and you're going to get a little bit bored. So why
You might want to do something more productive with your time.
I totally agree. That's right. The bedroom is definitely a place where you can, which is your sanctuary, where you can make some instant improvements. What would be your top tip?
The first thing I want you to do is change your hangers. Get uniformed hangers, and I love using these flocked hangers because they work with the material of your clothing rather than the weight. So you get rid of those nasty horns, and also nothing slips off, so you don't end up with all your clothes on the bottom of the, of the wardrobe.
And I like how thin they are. One of the things I particularly like about the Howards hanger range, because of course we're a little bit obsessed with hangers, is we've got so many different specialty hangers as well. So, and it's not everywhere where you can find those gorgeous hotel, the broad-shouldered hangers. And it does make a difference to the longevity of your clothes.
Yes.
If you match the right hanger to your types of clothes. So, okay, that's project number one.
Project number one, hanger.
Okay,
Second, I want you to
thing.
think of your shoes. So whether you're doing a hanging shoe storage, back of door storage, or doing something for your heels or for your flats, have a good think about it, and let's put our shoes on display. Let's give them a bit of life, and therefore they'll get worn more often. I mean, that's what clothes are there for, in shoes.
I think the reality too is that there's often a lot of money invested in shoes. I feel like it's actually treating your investment with respect. So you've fixed your hangers, you've sorted out your shoes, but sometimes you really need to be thinking about the big fix, don't you?
Yes.
So I suppose one of those nice things about Howards is that we're quite holistic in your storage and organisation needs. Behind us here we've got the elfa system, for example.
I love the elfa system. I just love the elfa system because it is so versatile to your needs.
So one of the best things about the elfa system is that it's Swedish designed, it's got a 10-year guarantee, has a whole range of different finishes. So what you're seeing here is the newest addition to the range, which is these timber fronts. But you can start off with the basics. So that's what I always recommend to people, because it's only the top track that attaches to the wall, so it's completely flexible.
Yes.
So you pop these hang standards onto that top track, and then to that you then put your brackets and shelves and whatever you want. There are specialty components.
Pull out racks for your pants, pull out drawers for your flat shoes. And again, you can even attach a mirror here. So the elfa system really can be made to suit any room.